Crispy, golden and packed with flavor, today we're making the best homemade samosas from scratch. Not only are we making the classic triangular samosas, but we're also trying a fun, crispy stuffed ball version as well. Don't worry if you don't have store-bought wrappers, we're also making the samosa wrapper from scratch. If you love cheese, you're going to love this filling. Add half a cup of cheddar cheese. Optionally, you can add half a cup of mozzarella cheese if you want that stretchy cheese pull. Add half a cup of white cheese and also add half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Crush it in between your palms to bring out that flavor of herby freshness. Mix everything together until well combined. For the samosa wrappers, in a bowl add 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of ghee or any other neutral oil of your choice and half a teaspoon of salt. Using half a cup of water, knead it into a soft dough ball. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Pinch out the dough into a smaller portion and then roll it out. Mix out equal portions of flour and corn flour. Sprinkle it on top of the dough and then roll out another circular portion of the dough and place it on top of that. Make sure that you cover the dough completely with the corn flour and flour mixture so that the dough will not stick at all. And then afterwards, with a large rolling pin, roll out the dough into a thin sheet. With a knife, cut the dough into long rectangles. This is our samosa wrapper. You can either peel off the layers individually or do as I do. Just place the whole slab of the dough onto a heated pan. Let that side cook and then flip it. Peel off the cooked layer and repeat the process. Take the cooked samosa wrappers and fold it into triangles. Add the cheese fillings but do not overfill as it will seep out into the oil. Create a paste by adding a small amount of water to 2 tablespoons of flour. This paste will prevent the oil from seeping into the samosas. To ensure we have crispy samosas, put it in the fridge so that it cools down. Now on to the fun stuffed ball version of the samosas. We have already created the dough. It is the same one as used for the samosa wrappers. Using a rolling pin, turn it into a flat disc, and then we're going to grab the edges and then roll it out just like a cinnamon roll. Using a knife, then you cut it and just set it aside. For this samosas, we will be adding a delicious spiced potato filling. Heat oil in a pan, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 whole chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 2 tablespoons of paprika powder and some turmeric powder. Mash 5 boiled potatoes and then add the sauté onto it. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it well. Take the pieces of dough that we've set aside and then flatten it first with your palm and then with a rolling pin. Add the potato fillings, seal tightly and then lower it into hot oil. Let it cook until crispy and golden. Now set the temperature to high. Add in our samosas. The reason why we are using a higher temperature of oil is so that the samosas wrappers cook quickly and the cheese does not burst out. And there you have it, crispy golden samosas with a rich filling that's absolutely irresistible. Whether you go for the classic potato version or the gooey cheese upgrade, these samosas are guaranteed to be a hit. Serve with mint chutney or tamarind sauce for the ultimate snack experience. Love this recipe? Don't forget to like the video, comment on your favorite dipping sauce, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. See you in the next one. Bye!